Does scraped paint and a vibrating truck bed drop-in liner sound familiar to you? WeatherTech's UnderLiner protects your truck bed's paint from scratches caused by rigid drop-in liners. Let's take a closer look. UnderLiner is a semi-soft, protective base layer that shields the painted surface of your truck bed from scratches and scrapes caused by rigid drop-in bed liners when they shift or vibrate during travel. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech, UnderLiner is custom fit to match the shape, size, and contouring of your pickup's make and model. Plus, it's flexible, yet sturdy, and installation is easy. Simply place UnderLiner in your truck bed and fit your rigid drop-in bed liner on top of it, then you're ready to load up and hit the road. Shield your truck bed from scuffs and scratches with WeatherTech's UnderLiner.